Have you just started talking to a guy and you're trying to figure out how it is that you can be on his mind even when you're not around? Well, fear not, you sexy single lady. Adam Little here, and in this very special video, I'm gonna be revealing the 3 steps that any woman can take that is guaranteed to make him miss you and want to continue pursuing you. Keep watching. Hey there, Adam Little from lovestrategies.com, where I help successful single women get out there and attract long-lasting love. And this week's video is a little bit different than previous videos. The reality is that I've been spending the past year of my life completely focused on my Love Accelerator clients. Last year, I decided to go all in with everything I was doing and develop this very intimate program called Love Accelerator, where I help my clients follow what I call the little love steps to get out there and attract long-lasting love. So unfortunately, I haven't been able to spend as much time on the YouTube channel and developing these videos. So today I decided, you know what? I'm going to just start revealing some of the information that we share in Love Accelerator and just start revealing it to all of you so you get an idea of what it is that we actually talk about in Love Accelerator. I actually had a client ask me this the other day on our group Zoom sessions, and she asked, how do I stay on his mind? How do I make it so that he is pursuing me every single step of the way? As I continue to dig deeper, I realized that she's just talking to this guy. She's in the earliest stages of dating. So I reminded her of the little love steps. And here are the 3 steps that I really told her to focus on, and I'd love for you to focus on as well if you're trying to make a man miss you. The first step that I reminded this client of is what I call little love step number 1. And this is where you build your sexy confidence. If you are single and looking for love, the very first step you take is not actually about attracting men or making them miss you. It's actually much more about you building your independent lifestyle, feeling sexy, feeling confident, leaning back into your feminine energy. These are all the things that are naturally going to make a man want to pursue you when, of course, he meets you. So I reminded this client, make sure you value yourself first. Don't put so much energy towards him and trying to draw him in. In fact, when you start putting your energy elsewhere to your own independent lifestyle, he is going to want to close that gap. Now, the next step you really want to be thinking about when you're trying to make a man miss you is what I call little love step number 3. And that is where you're gonna go out and meet a lot of high value men. One thing I have to remind all of my clients of in Love Accelerator is that you are not in an exclusive relationship with a man unless it is explicitly clear that it's exclusive. And until you get to exclusivity, the best way to make a man miss you and think about you is for you to have a very active social life. Go out, meet a lot of different people, go to events, connect with people in your social circle, find various ways to get out there, surround yourself with a lot of other people, not just men, also women, and naturally, once again, a man's going to notice this and he's not going to want to lose you. He's going to be reaching out to you, asking you what you're up to. He's going to want to see you. He's going to want to be a part of this incredible life. And the third way to make a man pursue you and miss you and want to close that gap is once you get to what we call little love step number 5. Where you pace the progression of your connection. When our clients walk through the little love steps, they are getting out there and meeting a lot of high quality men. And even when they meet a man that they are really attracted to, they tend to slow things down. And that's what this little love step is all about. Pacing. And here's the crazy thing about pacing. When you are the one slowing things down, men actually want to speed things up. It has a crazy psychological effect. And the more that you pace intentionally and do it in a way that's very healthy and really contributes to a long-lasting, healthy relationship, the more a man is naturally going to miss you because he's going to be the one who is going to want to progress things forward every single step of the way, and you're the one who is pacing things and slowing it down. So there you have it. In a nutshell, be confident, meet lots of other guys, and slow things down. There's no rush throughout this process. And if you follow these general principles, or of course, if you follow the little love steps, naturally, men are going to be missing you in ways that you never knew possible before. So I want to hear from you in the comments below. which of these steps are you going to focus on in your love life? Leave that comment right there below. And finally, if you are interested in exploring Love Accelerator and being a part of the community, the conversation, our weekly Zooms, and of course, learning the little love steps, head on over to lovestrategies.com/apply. We'll also leave a link in the comment section below. That's where you can apply to speak to one of our love strategists. We'll talk to you directly and see whether or not you're a fit for the program. There is absolutely no pressure on these phone calls. In fact, we want to make sure you're a really good fit for the program before inviting anyone into the program. So if you're at a point in your life where you're really serious about getting out there and attracting long-lasting love, go ahead and apply, and I hope to see you in Love Accelerator very soon. All right, speak to you very soon, and I'll talk to you next week. All right, bye-bye.